Here we are in rural Missouri, and we met the neighbors. They showed us their little shooting range. And here's my wife getting ready for a walk down on my sister's property. Everything is theirs. It's on this side of the road. And we're going to find a game trail and proceed down on that game trail. And it's a beautiful day in Missouri. We've been coming down this game trail here, and there's signs of other human activity. There's a log that's been either broken off or cut off, and we're hopeful that it won't be as slippery as it's been. This gravel with the leaves has been semi-treacherous coming down. It's really hard to see the steepness of the slope, but it's been a pretty good little grade to come down. And my wife has my walking stick and I'm using my trekking poles, which is helping a little bit. I'll see if I can show you how carefully she's making her way down. Like I said, it's a lot steeper than it looks. One of our traditions when we come to Branson is we go to the Grand Country Buffet. Yes, sirree. We need to get to the buffet, which is not in the music hall. It's over this way. So let's head towards the tour bus and we're gonna go on in.
Probably one of the best ones they've ever seen.
What am I looking at?
You gotta watch the Google video. You gotta do this one. It's Google Route 66 commemoration. It's really cool.
Well, you know, we're doing our Route 76 commemoration.
66.
76 down 76? Here. That's the route we're on.
We're on Route 76.
They make a big thing about it in Branson here. This is our Route 76 commemorative drive, classic Branson. So what are we commemorating for Branson? What are we commemorating for Route 66?
It's Google. Yeah.
Hey, it's your turn to win.
I know, it's actually sad. It's actually really sad they don't work together.
Motorcycle.